Bacha Khan was truly a Khudai khidmatgar. He was an apostle of non-violence, a true soldier for freedom of every human being, and he had dedicated his life to the uplift of the poor, a true servitor for the poor. He was above all narrowness in thinking and in actions. He looked well beyond any meanness in spirit and vision and petty loyalties. His was a vision of one humanity and in the greatest interest of peace and harmony for all humankind. He worked for a world free of hunger, a world free from poverty. He worked for a world full of peace, where there would be no anger or hatred, no fear or cowardice, where there'd be no jealousy or suspicions.